The hydrogen economy is no longer a concept, it's here. And the path to zero-emission energy runs through precision manufacturing. At Eclipse, we deliver high-performance systems for the hydrogen cell market, starting with the core of every hydrogen fuel cell.
From membrane electrode assemblies to proton exchange membranes, our custom automation platforms are designed to handle sensitive materials with care and scale with your ambition. Our systems combine tight tolerance stacking, real-time quality control, and data-driven traceability, all in one seamless process. Built to evolve with your technology, Eclipse lines are modular, scalable, and ready to take you from prototype to full production.
With a global footprint and deep experience in clean energy systems, Eclipse is more than a supplier. We're your automation partner for the hydrogen age. Eclipse, powering the future of clean energy, one cell at a time.